family, peace and love again, guys. Cereal time again, guys. Cereal time again. My favorite time of year when it coming on to December, guys. My favorite time of the year when it coming on to December. Cereal. It's a whole lot of cereal, guys. Yes, me have it if you take out a grass, guys. It's a whole lot of cereal. Look at that tree, guys. It's so fluffy. Guys, them coming on. Them coming on fine. Yes, guys. Look at my baby one here blossom. Yes, family. I'm going to have sorrel. Look at this big tree here. Yes, guys, me just give a little tips of the sorrel. Yes, you soon see a lot. Because the whole thing there is pure sorrel. I go get it out of grass. Pure sorrel. Yes, guys, they're small. You can't see them, but them so small. Yes, these are the bigger trees. Yes, family, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Love again. Another day, guys. Me out in my field. Guys, the pumpkin here. Wow. Look at the pumpkin. You know the sweet potato. Besides, I mean, kill it. Look at the potato, guys. Wow. Look at the potato, guys. Have a few weed out. Guys, a lot of work. Yes, guys, a lot of work. Family. Take a look at the pumpkin. Look, guys. Look at the pumpkin. Wow. There's a lot of pumpkin. Look at the potato for weed out, guys. Wow. Love again, guys. Peace and love. Look at this sweet potato. And guys, may I tell you, that sweet potato I got 7 months. Guys, and look how it strive. And believe you me, guys, look, it don't bear. Guys, it don't bear. See it? Only 2 bag out there. Look. 2 bag of potato. And guys, look. Look how it flourishing. Look, guys. But in spite of everything, we have to give thanks, guys, because guess what? We put in, guys, a piece of slip. Guys, we put in a piece of slip. And it bring forth fruit. So, guys, in spite of everything, we have to give thanks. Look at the ground how it big. Guys, look. It don't bear. Pure wish. Give thanks where me get. Again, guys, peace and love. May I carry out some carrot, sweet pepper, string bean, and sweet potato. Yes, guys. Peace and love again, guys. Back at it again. Back at it again, guys. Look. Yes. One love, peace, and love again, guys. Yes. Love again, family, peace and love and a grand rising, guys. Wow. Take a look at a size pumpkin here, guys. Wow. Guys. Peace and love again. Look at the pumpkin in the sweet potato. Wow. Pumpkin take over the sweet potato. But anyway, I have 2 crops. Sweet potato and pumpkin. Look Look at this one again, guys. Yes, that's another one. That's another one. And guys, another one. It's somewhere about the place here. Yes, guys. The vine come from over there. I know me plant the pumpkin either. Yes, guys, but me always have pumpkin near me field. So, yes, guys, see the side of the other one here, guys. Wow. Guys, it's a blessing to have 4 pumpkin, guys. And love again, guys. Another day. Yes, guys. See the Irish potato going down. The peas ready. Yes, guys, the red peas. Yes, guys. When you plant Irish potato and put red peas in it, you can use it to mark it and to say the Irish soon ready. Yes, guys. See the peas. Peas ready. See, guys. Look at it. Peas ready, guys. 2 months. The fastest crop this, guys. Irish potato. Irish potato is the fastest crop, guys, you can ever think of. Irish potato is the fastest crop. 2 to 3 months. Yes, guys, it's coming down. You can see it getting yellow. You can see that the peas them ready. So, guys, you see it. Less than 3 months. We have something to reap again, guys. Guys, please like, subscribe, and share. Yes, guys. My Irish potato coming down, guys. Coming down. Yes, guys.